With the patient in a supine position, you will want to ensure the patient's head and neck are in a neutral alignment. Their arms should rest comfortably at their sides. Start the fitting process with the occipital panel. Take the occipital panel and press down on the bed to compress the mattress to create space. Now slide the occipital panel fully under the back of the patient's head until the occipital panel is aligned centrally. Verify the occipital panel placement. Ensure the straps lie evenly between the bottom of the ears and the top of the shoulders with the Thuasne logo upright. For reference, confirm both straps are the same length on each side of the patient's head. Once the occipital panel is set, you will move on to fitting the anterior section. First step, you want to confirm that the height adjustment level is set at the lowest setting. It will come out of the package in the lowest setting, but always confirm before fitting the patient. Next, you will slightly open up the sides of the anterior section. This will help open up the collar, making it easier to fit. You want to come up and under the patient's chin while sliding the anterior section back until the chin rests towards the edge of the pad. Next, you will want to connect the straps from the occipital panel to the anterior section. The anterior section will rest along the sides of the neck, and you will pull the straps over top of the anterior section. The two pieces should overlap with plastic to plastic contact. This confirms an adequate fit. If the plastic does not overlap, the fit is not satisfactory and the cervical spine immobilization could be compromised. Confirm the straps are tight enough in order to provide a secure fit. You will want to make sure the strap lengths are even on both sides of the patient's head. Even strap lengths provide even tension and uniform cervical spine immobilization. You may trim the length if excess material is present. Next, you will raise the chin height to achieve a cervical spine neutral alignment. With one hand, pull down on the height adjustment mechanism. You will pull down in a smooth and uniform fashion. With the other hand, raise the chin section until the patient is in a comfortable cervical spine neutral alignment. The chin should be touching and slightly compressing the chin pad. The chin will be located fully on the pad near the edge. Once the fit is confirmed, release the height adjustment mechanism to securely lock the height in place. With the patient seated, make sure their shoulders are relaxed, the head and neck is positioned in a neutral alignment, eyes are forward, and the chin is parallel with the ground. Start with the anterior section. Slide the anterior section on until the chin is placed toward the edge of the pad. Next, attach one of the straps from the occipital panel to the anterior section. Wrap the occipital panel around the back of the patient's head and attach the second strap to the opposite side. Confirm the occipital panel is positioned centrally along the back of the patient's head and neck. Check to make sure the occipital panel is overlapping on top of the anterior section and plastic to plastic contact is achieved in order to provide a proper fit. Next, you will raise the chin height to achieve a cervical spine neutral alignment. With one hand, pull down on the height adjustment mechanism. Pull down in a smooth and uniform fashion. With the other hand, raise the chin height section until the patient is in a comfortable cervical spine neutral alignment. The chin should be touching and slightly compressing the chin pad. The chin should be located fully on the pad near the edge. Once you have confirmed the proper height, release the height adjustment mechanism to securely lock the height in place. Now go back and retighten the straps on both sides of the patient's head in order to provide a secure fit. Make sure the straps are of even length on both sides in order to provide even tension and uniform cervical spine immobilization.